Let's have a look at Sanlam, and we're on the monthly chart, and just looking at the price action, I would say that buying this particular stock at this point in time is not such a good idea. And one of the reasons why I say so is because it is pretty much expensive, as ideally we want to buy when stocks are low, like example at these levels, as opposed to at that level. Another reason why I say that buying this particular stock is not such a good idea is because it is close to the previous all-time high, which is, I would say, is at this level over here, right? And chances are we're gonna see the market continue to move further up to reach that point, and at this level is where we may potentially see a retracement of sorts, right? As I said, this particular stock is too expensive to buy, in my humble opinion. Ideally, I want to see it actually crash, right? I want to see price actually come down to these levels over here, and once the market does so, that's when I'll consider buying this particular stock, right? But right now, as things stand, I would not buy it, because what may happen is you may buy at this level only for price to push further up to that point and to only crash, right? And there is plenty of scope for the market to crash, just based on technical analysis and not so much on fundamentals. And one of the reasons is that the market had given us this huge double bottom, and I usually say that when we have these double bottoms, what quite often happens is that a lot of investors and traders buy on that second leg, right, which is here, and place their stop losses just below, right, which means that just below the structure there's a lot of money stuck, right, in the form of stop losses, and that would make sense in as far as price, possibly pushing further down to these levels, right? And that's why I say that ideally I want to see price actually drop, and once it reaches these levels, that's when I'll potentially look for buy opportunities. But as things stand, I would not buy this particular stock because it is too expensive, and even if we were to, or I was to buy at this level over here, right, my first take profit would be around here somewhere, and the distance between here and there, in my humble opinion, is not that great, right? So that's some of the reasons why I would not buy this particular stock.